as far as I can remember, the first designer who I actually knew was Arjun Khanna, because while I was growing up, my father's closet was full of Arjun Khanna. And I used to always wonder that why is he so obsessed with Arjun's clothes? Why is he always wearing Arjun Khanna jackets or track pants? And my father always had like a really different style. He always wanted to stand out when it came to whatever he was wearing, whether it was how he carried things off or whatever it was. And I feel that that sort of got passed on to me, the whole the fashion sense and the attitude in terms of fashion. But then I came into the film industry, and I was supposed to I had my movie's premiere, and I was promoting it. And I called Arjun up and I said, I actually texted him because I had never spoken to him. My father knew him. And I got his number from my dad, and I said, let me try and text this guy, let's see how it goes. And he immediately replied to me, and he said, yeah, sure, come over and we'll figure things out. And he was so cool, easygoing. He didn't really force whatever he wanted me to wear on me. He first understood my style, and I think that's very important as a designer to understand the person who's going to be carrying your clothes, his style, because at the end of the day, I'm wearing it. I'm going to be showcasing it and taking it forward. So, he's an extremely cool guy, and I think he is honestly, I'm saying this, that he is the most underrated designer in India for me. And my career has just begun. I know for a fact that I'm definitely going to keep going to Arjun again and again, whether it's for jackets, trousers, whatever it is, because he has something that stands out from all the other designers. Whether it is his jackets, whether it is something so simple as a bandana, he uses it as an accessory to change the whole look. And and he's been really helpful. And I feel I can't really explain his style because it's not just limited to one thing. My dad has had insane denim jackets with like mad leather patch work on it and stuff like that. And till date, he has done those jackets along with, other styles which he's sort of inculcated into that, because fashion keeps changing. And, as a designer, I think it's really important that you learn to adapt and move forward with it. And I think Arjun, after so many years, has definitely done that. And, whenever I wear his clothes and I go for functions, and people are always like, wow, like, what jacket is that? Where you wear? I said, it's Arjun Khanna. And they, they are so taken aback. They're like, wow, that's Arjun Khanna. Okay, now we're going to call Arjun and go for those jackets. And it's actually happened, and Arjun will agree with me on this, that I wore a jacket of my father's to a wedding once. And a really renowned celebrity came to me and he said that, what is this jacket that you're wearing? And then I told him, I said, it's Arjun Khanna. He said, even I'm wearing Arjun Khanna, but my jacket is not as good as that. So, and then he called up Arjun, and then he had the same jacket made for him. But Arjun, and recently, in the more recent times, I have been going to Arjun's store a lot, and I saw something which I never thought I would find in Arjun Khanna store, because whenever my dad wore Arjun, he always wore like suits, blazers, trousers and stuff like that, more on the formal Western, but with like a cool side to it. But recently I've been going and I have seen Arjun Khanna's Indian wear, and guys, if you've not seen it, and a lot of people don't know about it, but it is insane. And I know that is, people in India, we always have these go-to designers who we go to, whether it's for like Indian where we have one designer, when it's Western we go to another designer. But with Arjun, it's like he has the suits and jackets and everything. He has all your Western stuff. He can give you something as simple as a shirt, but that shirt will have some pattern or design on it, which just is a game changer. And he also has Indian clothes. You have to see the sherwanis that he's made, the band galas that he's made, the kurtas that he's made. They are so cool. And honestly, it is nothing like you've ever seen before. And I promise you, if you wear Arjun Khanna, you are bound to stand out from the rest of the crowd. So for me, Arjun is one designer who's always a go-to. I always call him up with, whatever it is that I need help with. And and as a person, Arjun, like I said, is so chilled out, so easygoing. He has no hang-ups. He's extremely helpful. And even the team that works at Arjun Khanna, you know, there's Shefali who's with him, there's Veda there as well, and there are a lot of people. Like the whole team is so chilled out and they're so helpful, and they get the job done, and they know exactly what you want. And you know, sometimes even you don't know that that's exactly what will look good on you, but when they put it together, it is a sure shot bang outfit. So you know, I would honestly recommend everyone to just go visit Arjun's store. I promise you will not leave without buying a few things. It's amazing. And to Arjun, I would just like to say that thank you honestly from the bottom of my heart for whatever you've done for me. And you know, you're amazing, and I'm sure that I'm going to keep calling you and annoying you even more now because my career's just begun. So, and I know that you're going to be there for me, but thank you for whatever it is that you've done for me. You are amazing.